Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and I never give recommendations for specific appliances. And here's why. If there's one thing I've learned throughout my years of experience in the appliance industry, beginning with my 6 years as an appliance repair tech, it's that appliance usage is a very personal, individual experience. Everyone's life experiences are different, therefore, everyone has different priorities when it comes to their appliances and how they use and care for them. When someone asks me, what is the best brand of appliance, there isn't one correct answer, despite the fact that most people think there is. Because there isn't a single whole brand out there that doesn't have good models and bad models. And even though some people may believe otherwise, there isn't a single whole brand out there that's far superior to the rest. Every single brand I've ever worked on, I've had some customers who will sing that brand's praises, and then other customers who have boycotted that same brand entirely. Because everyone's experiences, and therefore priorities, are different. When someone asks me, what is the best washing machine on the market, there isn't a single correct answer for that either. I can't recommend the same washing machine to a family with 5 kids who plays sports that I would recommend to a retired elderly couple who rarely leave the house, because those two hypothetical families have very different needs. The family with 5 kids will generally want a large capacity machine that can get rid of grass stains and has faster cycle options, because when you're doing laundry for that many people, speed and stain removal are often the highest priorities. Whereas the elderly couple probably doesn't care much about the capacity of their machine and its speed, since they only have to do laundry for themselves and don't have any reason to rush. And while stain removal is still important to them, it's probably a lot lower on their priority list. Sometimes people even try to get creative when trying to get an appliance recommendation out of me. Okay, so which appliance did you see the least of when you worked as a repair tech? First of all, there are a lot of appliances out there. There are more appliances I've never seen than those I have, and just because I've never worked on it doesn't mean it's a good appliance. Secondly, I worked for a servicing dealer, which means I worked as a repair tech for the company that sold the appliances in their showrooms. So if I saw more of a certain appliance, it could mean that that appliance was more likely to break down, or it could just mean that it's a really popular model or brand. So statistically speaking, I was bound to work on more of them anyway. And my personal favorite, well, if you were going to buy an appliance for yourself, which model or brand would you choose? While I can give you the answer, again, my priorities are almost certainly different from yours. So once again, there isn't a correct answer to that question, because it's all subjective. And even if I do give a recommendation, do you know what happens? If anything ever goes wrong with that appliance, guess who the customer would blame? So no, I don't recommend specific appliances or brands. I'll happily tell you some of the features of that appliance and explain what they do and how they work, but when it comes to what the best appliance is, it's not up to me to decide what's best for you.